You go open where I go the saga you, go the laugh. You go the drink awanyo. Charlie, awanyo. If person use if you open where I do me something, I open where I do you. If you open where I do me something, I open where I do you. So, Sylvia, I will be patient with you when it's in but okay, we are telling you already. And then now we be, you know, we get Thomas will give you near to anywhere. I know what to do to get you again to me. I know say you are not get anything, not all quarrel, not all forever. But I think they take me. I know, but you have done a very good job to record that woman. And you say Mama Kevin voice they with you. So anything. So yeah, audio nakba. After only this one, then I don't play any other one again. You don't even delete the rest, but I don't already forward them. I'm smart way. So me not get time for myself delete any way, but I'll just calm down. Yeah. Okay. Just calm down. See, I think nobody says if I want to go back, but you want the beggar, the phone beg, you know, go work. Almost what your body is doing in social media now, and it's daring you to play it. It time almost anyway. Almost if you know what is good for you, a saga again now. Anything that will make you to saga this game, avoid it. You want to prove to your useless followers in Agbomama, where be say you get 2 views, 3 views. Where I go, one proof to them be
now I believe you yourself as the man, you are fighting for yourself.
Now I'm not going to talk to. So yes, so now 1 minute audio.
The way they are taking it here is they are just doing maybe or maybe I'm just.
This audio that I'm playing is like the family of Omozwo not even regard them. The family of Omozwo in this audio not even regard Mama Kevin as a wife. Mama Kevin is lamenting to Omozwo. Remember that girl talking and saying when Omozwo they sleep. Now you take forward audios enter her phone. Now you consequently jams for presenters for UK. They play love with Omozwo. Now, this audio now just in the lament the way family take they do they not they regard them, and you know, they look at because say he would pass Omozwo. Now just be the audio. This one now just test a tips of an iceberg. This one now this audio so now just test like I get everything I want to beat you Omozwo. Stay clear from me. Wait till she they speak for a year. She they lament. She they wallow in pain and poverty. She's like, who is depressed? She be like, person they depressed. When they talk say, the way the family, husband and family they treat her, they treat her well. Like, let love read said all these things. Say Mama Kevin they cage. Mama Kevin they bondage. We call the feel saying a joke. Say Mama Kevin not they bondage. And lie she they lie. Let lovely TV say Omozwo go drink all day. This girl also said that Omozwo are drinking all a day. So more listening to the audio.
I'm like them. You understand? You don't forget it where.
Oh, why I call him Menai?
You don't forget it where. Who make him? That is a remaining.
Here, Kevin. Are you where? When Let Lord TV tell us say there was no marriage that was done, everybody was thinking that Let Lord TV you'll be carrying the talk. Omozwo, this babe confirm and say you not do marriage. No family agree, but they meet like you know feel hold again. You know when you have to introduction, now we have they just meet normally. Am I your money? They say they never they made that they watch you. A bad motel say me they watch you first. But Mama Kevin they address itself as a wife for the family. Because of small picking prick. Now TV, I hear you. I dey see your message. I hear you. I hear you. You calm down. Igui, I know they call it, but really, meji. That is my enemy. Enemy is my agent. So nothing you want to tell me.
The family may well acquire a restaurant with Facebook. In our page,
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, say, and when you say they are. Why are they frank you are? I date this guy I know this guy 2022. He was like in Nigeria. I dare us. I don't know yak me what plan here if you able to your mouth. So I just did but man winner. So that evening I just did. I say online. I don't know this guy before, which I not even watch online video before. I would just say I beg. So that day, I call you the stroll through Facebook because they play the music. You can say anybody no, we need the music. Me call him. I can't call him. Say, bro, send me the music. If I go in la me. On a see before I can finally agree where okay, yes, yeah, they say we call the 2022 now we call just the he can't bring, even when I even there he has. Now from there, and then I'll be one more pop here. I was there. There, I see the bella because any boom. So, my yaro, okay, to have my every here, Muje Kevin. He was here, Muje Kevin. My mind where the relationship of phone a reggae. I know, yeah, we go and I know that Suboloko. So I play along where okay, I don't forgive you. I'll play along. Okay, what guy we sisi ije Kevin win blah 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 ni wa mu wo je all the ni gwim na okay. I can't now say give me time. If I don't think everything, I'll get back to him. I can't really take time. 1 week, I'll be 3 days. I can't take everything. Inside the thinking, I can't reason out by myself. Wait, if I let this boy go like that, again, the boy now no do ya saga later because I know the kind of person when he be. So I can't talk to one or two people. Say, see, what they go on. And they say, okay, do what in day your mind. And so me, I can't day. You do ya 12 Italy. Fine, you gonna move very. You why one more especially on the college because we make you 10 years of young banana or your hand. You're not only the vegan. And if you can't holiday, especially with France, my day in your holiday, they go like travel, go another country because in your school, they go ask them, say, where the travel go. So I can't say, you can't say, make I come. I can't tell us I know if you come because my baby never day holiday. You can't tell me say okay anytime my baby take the holiday make I come. I can't say okay my baby come to 2 day holiday. As my baby day holiday, everybody can't travel. I can't use the opportunity to travel. When Frank they talk, Frank this one make come 5 times when you decide that me not go bug enough your boy or enough a poor here. Because you are always Kevin, now you are saga, Sibia, very good Susie. Yes, no believe you get Susie. No, you are defended bay. Because I mean, wow, who work Kevin, wow, except for one of my bawa, one more corner, Ije Kevin, Kevin, Egayani, the web one before. He records you where the egg, what's your way on maybe not now?
She not change her mind, though. I'm not changing my dog, Madam, here, when I listen to the audio, my change your mind, okay? You know, just change your mind. The girl thing, I dey observe, which they write me, on my no smart me, him, where I'm there. I hear from nothing, the whole of this New Year, goodish match. Now, most of Saga will be using and do. Since we and then when we go back, I can walk by your women worry every day.
Where we go here, amen. Where we here, Mama agent ye wa page we ni agent no bi Facebook ni ge wa email on Facebook e do review audio la dian. So you get so wa he first of all, it was a wagon. I switched off my iPhone because iPhone they do one thing. If you use iPhone, once you enter PESIA, it should be case. If you fall for inside all those kind of manyama way, I go for push so. If you enter PESIA, once when your phone need to do for you, lock everywhere, no lights. Switch to your camera detector. If camera did that, your iPhone will detect it. So I switched to my camera detector. Camera no dey that. So he can't come out. Everybody can't dey. After 2 days, he can't go Mama Kevin. Where the Kevin marriage, you know say I did your house, I did record everything. Don't let me come out. So you Kevin tiela wa or maybe not the movie na tiela wa because if I went for revenge because I know say a day like this will come. There's a double more video the phone way. Even though we are aware and see anybody in your way for wedding, no come about the banana carry. See ya ladian. I swear to God, I swear with my father and grave. See ya la. Ekrimino ba muja hewe. That is your platform war. You tell your platform you way. Even na muja hewe. I go play audio tire. So you can't come out go Mama Kevias. Me and my son will come there. This local boy of a boy.
Okay, now my people, share this video for me. Almost the same thing. Let Lovely TV said. Away, you beg her for food. Last month here say you no see money to eat. Make your beg, make it send you money. 50 euro. Now you ask Let Love, don't send the 100 euro. But was social media who were baba with the smell. The Aduro meeting where you go open. Aduro meeting. No make na me all those one never know the one with the day. And they look at those one like this because American they can get what thing that they wait for. You know waiting is say as you come when you say another girl they confirm her to now say you know seafood. Now you invite him to your house, but me we are cooking. We are even Facebook iba. We are even no geba. I'm a beggar. A beggar no better pass this one. Almost what? A beggar mama so no na. What soon?
I name it to me. Don't you catch me? Na do ya ademi. Are you man? Ọwọ́ kan ya come no go atie. Na oje wa atie ba fo e. Oni ave pe le for di ma we. Because when we platform na no we kie ni na. Eva mi ana mu e.
Nobody begs Sylvia. Hey, why tell woman beg Sylvia? Nobody begs Sylvia. Untouchable, if you are not okay with my live video, you can leave here. Untouchable, Nini Bella.
Lie, Eva na be ya igwele. Isa ili go ho ili ya me you no wa so le mo pian. Ọwọ́ fún ọkọ mi tí ẹ ọ́ ní àríkà máa wẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ máa rí sí mi ẹbí mi rí àṣẹ dán ní sẹ́yìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wà gbọ́dọ̀ máa rí gbí tí ẹ ọ́ kà máa wẹ̀ wá wẹ̀. So no, so everybody come there. On a David Kevin. On a quick David Kevin. I take anything on takeable. I record everything on it. Gay. E poi non buona when the boss segna ga woni sane so segna.
I beg, Percy boss has the tear for Nyash. Waga video na. Percy boss has the tear for Nyash. Shit they Percy boss has. Difference they my people. Percy bossers the tear for Nyash. Shit, they Percy bossers. A difference is here we know I get doing never I difference they. It lie. Because why? You don't know how to do it anymore. Ubeli shema disgrace you. Mugu update vese likia ni gunana niya. Any ya ye ke ya wo. You think say everything they use power they do. Then within the saga say your saga never buy ants. A saga way, or meg buffet, or meg biane, or meg be, it can't. Your saga has nothing. Your saga, they would make you they drink more. Like Dano do Azul. Share my disgrace.
Frankie, leave me alone. Not be by force to date guy. Not be you. Not be you be the only guy when we say I don't date. I don't do date you. Right stand. You see, I say ever since that they ask me, you date this guy. I don't date you, guy. He not date you, where? So now, so everybody come there. This one when they say, man, just stop down and say, he give my son phone. Guy, you don't give my son phone. You remember the day when you say you drink, you fall for step case.
He said, well, who are we are? Not the sleep. Who are the last people? Now, my enemy, they disgorge like this. Wamudia. Now, hear that one.
He give my son phone. Guy, you don't give my son phone. You remember the day when you say you drink, you fall for step case.
Now you want to give me wisdom. When I done who the staircase. Almost what? Total to down the egg boy. As arrest, you fit you like that. Thank God say, I not be your father again. Yeah, he want more. Thank God say, I not be as arrest godfather again. It will be a big shame to my personality. A big shame and disgrace now. No almost worry you go marry any Becky there. Almost what? The can't drink when I drink for my bachelor's eve. We are with boy hospital when I hear it. Drink not good for your body. You know stop on. I'm one yo. Uwe areke una ya wisdom when I make this or dite me back pa wabie. When you are da. Man, can't you do without drinking? You can drink water. Water is good for the body system. It boosts your immune system. For you to drink, you fall. You can imagine the amount of drink. Before this girl come video you, keep. Imagine or see where we see where la wa. They say around 6 you take they wake up in the morning. That here. And you why you're in. And you are not done the disabled looking. When you buy almost what. Sylvia is just trying to become tonight. They tell me Palao. You know so Sylvia is just trying to become tonight. Almost what? If you know that they burn your papa where? Bring Sylvia matter tomorrow. When other people will say, bring Sylvia matter tomorrow. Because the rest of what they can't beat you. Change me, but I will be her. Because the way this girl take talk this evening sweet me for belly. I've been not sweet now. Great and no get lovers. Omarian you are the way no. Almost we're not getting what talk. But where are you? Because you are ashamed to manhood. No, I mean with all the women we don't sleep with, all of them are the quarry. All of them are the quarry. To assume who will go.
Your father when I want in a zanzawe that did not enter your foe. Either if you know foe. My brothers and sisters, why are you ignorable and I phone? On the phone, never.
Serious doctors too.
One particular one here care.
Baba, what the first step
you're a new the password the road. A smart way near me. He might do one day. Before me care deal with even in my way, me my your turn for a very long time. They are always going now. If I'm not by Ipala, I mean, Kevin, no yaki. I leave no trace. So he gave a particular phone, a one I'm bodazi, and the password in my own. In our bye. If why you're a because now why you're a now, or was a bear, or you're around that 3 to 4. Or if you're a minimum because my time they go, every time they time ticket to say. And I need to get evidence because I know where it must come for me. Immediately you tell her, say, you know they do again. It must come for you. So I was planning this guy. Before I want your name. Before I put the phone. So as he go inside the bedroom, so the essay born out the bedroom, I did record them. All your bedroom, I did record. Inside they even they try one notice say, every time I was recording you. A conversation about which we got a conversation. Where marriage you, where manage you, and did that. go make pay for the recording your boy Frankie send me a Frankie. Na man I je gbe you na wa send me I dey ever since
na good for Frank.
No whether ya
na good for Frank. You see this life, if you don't do something, devil will come send your match come. If this girl want you still poison Frank, now she be go poison another day. They will say now go where they swear for a night by you know they dance for this. I mean no say na person you go do on my behalf. You just imagine. No, just imagine. I say, if not be God, we touch this girl mad. That's why you go give a muzzle 5 minutes to heaven. You go give, go make kulu kere. Muzzle, how you are one. Again, what you want to God? Because where you think say now all everything we do on that scale and they pursue. So women feel give you their quickos for your life. Fear women. She be saying you breast. You don't know say get mama Kevin. Your body language, the way it take change just now. Now let Mumu go talk say you do saga. As you see say this girl they win you, your body language change immediately. Ogon bazen. You feel say this one a normal saga. Where me and you fed they do. No, this is not normal saga. Now any cow they drag you so. Now any cow they bring your leg they come out so because why? We are fighting for the palace and you came and tried to jeopardize it. You are trying to cover our mouth not to speak. Yet, Emeka will begin to disgrace you. Remember me, you have not seen nothing yet. If you go beg this girl, you will put yourself for more danger. I want to tell you the truth. Then so that you go sit time to record you more. Now, this girl nobody will quarrel with her again because she has stood her ground to come out and defend herself before you even drag her. Now, waiting and one she do be that one because down him. For when for drag Proud Mom, drag Becky, drag Let Lovely TV, why TV, drag him, warrior bagnon about fear kunlelu, sungu, dewu about muwe kia, ikia ya David step, about with the 4 staircase.
As I know where him, so I can't finally after 3 days, I can't finally get the pastor. He get like phone in him. He says, I begin to see things. Everybody, I don't know whether everybody they familiar with this thing. If you send 1 minute WhatsApp message, WhatsApp video, give person, it will be 1 second.
Yeah.
Once you press out to play and that thing not go play again. When I know what this one that they do, I go send them. After you go don't see complain, say, Sylvia, send me something now. I will come send them something. I'll put that video because he ain't got a woman on me. I'll put her for 1 second or what's it or press any. It did WhatsApp. I don't know for the people who be say they use iPhone. They talk about I don't know what I did.
Not your iPhone. I feel send you message once me not see him again if you don't read down. Yes, I understand you, my darling sister. Right on.
So I will say now this way will carry another phone. You go tell the record the video when I say give her. I call the noticer. So I can't say this boy my noodles, my brothers and sisters, waiting I see. This boy carry my I don't send down my people so I just send down my front because I did very short before front. This boy transfer my breast, carry go give Mama Kevin. He carry my breast go give Mama Kevin. And I say I must deal with these people.
Okay.
The thing called they boy me. Immediately my hand meet that phone. I carry Mama Kevin. Mama Kevin, might tell you now. They don't say don't wegwe. I want wegwe ni. I wegwe me manda.
Okay.
Wegwan wegwe no weye. I wegwa wegwe me.
Who is trying to see Mama Kevin boys? Well, if you don't know anything good for you, not just saga this girl from tomorrow. Just continue with Let Lovely TV or me go relax your head first. No, you have my blood pressure. High blood pressure is real. Well, on ya, you check up here. Yes, well. I'm gonna feel I feel you. Well, now I go. Now I want you. Why? You know they go for cleansing. Cleansing. You get one drink where they buy for jelly cleansing, or they wash your immune system. You're strong. When just sleep off. If you wake up the next day, you get yourself money. Da. Before you can go for step now, not high. They are go out where Baba with this man. Why down your day step? The girl he said, and I know not be the same as they are matching one. They step no woof one down. My boy fear kunde. I will call us we mad beg anyway. Who David stepping? Me have your schedule. Mo say I don't want you to talk now. Say you this girl is lie. Ozuo. She did see the public disgrace what this girl give you this evening. You call her now, she bust your call. She why you may not call again. After I don't rake for life with it. Yeah, baby, you want for my, who is the baby for? Who is the baby for? Nuzala. Mugu, Ozuo. The name. Wow, I'm not keeping you to do we. Too well, yeah. We men are ye. You are sleeping. We men are ye. Where we ye. You are just sleeping. Again, I mean where. Post the mama picture tomorrow. No, I go. We post it. Post the mama picture tomorrow. No, I go no soon.
Hey, sister, no way. All way, Gwenny. Hey, sister, London. All way.
Sister Nore no way. Who can remember that sister with no way? Who be the fastest thinker here to remember? The fastest thinker. Now one who down at the follow up. Sister with no way. Sister Nore London.
When you I go make sure say imagine me go on Facebook in on my camera and I open this page to beat Frank.
Correct.
He va any young be Frankie. So he gives you anything. He gives you a very first one. Now we have you no serious on man. I can't de rude. Even if one can person they are aware of everything. I can't de rude because I didn't know how many. If you bring me name, I will be arguing with Ghana and what I mean. Yase Ghana, everybody can't de. So man, I feel quite I would die head, but you know say wow woman he done it. I would die head. Oh yeah, would die maybe I would die again. Every time you go they put me, Mama Kevi, and one of that girl will be say that one not even get anything to do with me. You go they put 3 of us for life.
Imagine.
I begin to record them. Mama Kevi, this one are for you. If you want this guy, you see that thing where you know what I mean everybody here. Now me see I will bring and come out. All the time when me and you take they call, I record everything. As this guy take come pursue guy when you the dead before you come. When that guy come go call Michelle, I record everything. I'm waiting shop for that time when we say you new call when you need to die your hand cutting. I record them. Mama Kevi, I get a lot of your audio where we say if I play and you sweat for I don't know what you go even do to me. Say okay, I'll lower my voice. Okay. Just grab this done. So I'll do one. So just call this boy or a guy, I don't even know. Call her enters. Oh, you're not date. I go out away. You must say where I can do a date. Oh, my can't wait. If you don't want can yes. What is it disturbing my mommy Susie was it disturbing? What do you mean give it time now? I have no other option than to send it as well. Mama, me, my way, Betty, just take this video. So, make you take fight yourself. And not be only that one, Harry. I get, when I mean say, I get a lot. I pity people when we say they believe on this boy. Can you imagine? This boy, first he go send out something. He go transfer the thing, give Mama Kevin. See, all those now when we say they beat for UK that time. When I can't use una people, can't settle, one kind settle. When it's not get anything to do with this guy. When I call out to others, say, leave me alone. I swear to God. I swear with my father grave. In fact, if I see my picture for your platform tomorrow, don't be shaming. I said, great one in Nigeria. I get a lot of proof from I don't care. I'll make sure say I disgrace everybody who get anything to do with you. Yeah, disgrace anyway. I go they bring everything come out with proof. Stay away from me, oh. Stay away from me. Stay away. Okay, I get it. I get when we tell I'm going to know one guy. I don't care where to leave you. You don't want to leave me.
I dey fair where to almost war. All women will come across you must define how they want to leave you, and you not go leave them. You must come saga them. May you I come better not by mistakenly call again. Then why go up with Malele Monica now? You're the lawyer to Monica. I just they give you brotherly advice. As you're lawyer to Monica now, just lawyer to money, and then what they be with Monica. Oh. Obeleze, obeleze, ni kodo, obeleze. Obeleze, obeleze, ni obeleze. Obeleze, obeleze, ni kodo, obeleze. The day when you fail, come better trouble again. You are finished for life. And then when, and the try, no, you try. Then I go off your now, you're lawyer for like that. You see the disadvantages, you see the shame and disgrace when they follow. I must below all the total when I see. I was saying I cook be. As I did, and nobody will call me now in the night to tell me, when are you coming to see me again? How can you just sleep with me only once? And my own like Bazo. Only mommy, we still perfect. Everybody knows what they do their game. Understand me? But oh when no try out that way.
Don't lose it. What your body can be it's the day. You must okay. Who will take the measures to be case or if I give you what you can be hiding? Why don't you have your work? Why don't you audio? You can be web one. I'll play your audio. I'll play your every time when me and you take the call. I record everybody, and I don't go play one particular person. Audio for inside. But you see me, mama, you and Mama Kevin, you, Frank, I go play everything. I dare your ass when I start to record you. Stay away from me, oh. Stay away from me. I know they talk to you. Although you my phone, you my phone, you. My phone no be. Okay, the way I'm my phone no be me. Me phone. Phone. What's the one I'm no be me? Okay, to the line. I be here. What do more in your I was so at about you when a guy now. What's why my way? This relationship is over. Oh wait, over the can no with Facebook now. Me and you. I mean, a relationship we no. We gossip. I tell
all the women in this life. The reason why they are going to Frank is you can't retire without vaccine. The reason why any woman with his licenses go almost your house, not be preach. Because all the women will go the talk say whether he get prick to knock. Ori Pragmo, because Pragmo is not a married woman, so our enemy. Ori Awenekia Mozwo. Ori Becky Awenekia. Elenlo TV Awenekia. Sylvia Awenekia. So now the licking, the sucking. It can they say if it lick you, me your leg is shake me, you know if you get yourself again for like 2 days. Your leg will carry all the shake you. Your leg will anytime you take water for there, say you want wash on your leg will Baba where they lick Toto. Baba where they lick Toto. Baba where they fall for staircase. Baba the boss has again nyala wakala. Baba the boss has again. Boss has again. If not so, any car will even disgrace you rich good. Because they get on that information now say, fear not even let you call Sylvia direct. When they look for who know one, where you know if you record, but Sylvia man make a work. Sylvia in a balance for because you know as social media be now, Agmoya do by Sylvia because you know carry Sylvia come out. But it don't tell you they patch this girl. Now that girl with difference. Let her be on the different phone. Let her be on the different. You don't they try to look because that girl tell you say you don't want you. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. If we come where and you tell the only way with the quit show. The quit show now what they bury the green light. Or not bury the quit show name. Or I got Zenihi again the queen. Or Gazel or Galile. Only one bury the green light on our bolo where you were. On a wabo. A bird on Zoli while we one day. On the end of it, boy, you have here. That's how we the queen. You have here. Wow, because a great guy, poko. na ye page it ona te only ye page it done ji na we ma ye page ma na mo the time the page ya wo wa so wa mo everybody
mama Yana relationship with you. If I don't gossip, you are gossip with my partner.
That one I know.
You are gossip with another. But a gossip in gossip. You might gossip na ya gboma wa. Ma gossip na ya do worry. Anything where you know say I tell you, don't try you buy. And everything where you say I know about you, you buy here now don't try.
Exactly.
Stay away from me. Stay away. Okay, mommy, let Lord lead the way was in. Adwa wa do one if you me. Wa this then if I see where me no see move if so that me ma make now understand move if I could be o guy move could be okay let Lord lead yeah what you will like this guy can lie for Africa
okay
no where abia wa mo problem where
abia you were made Omozuo who Omozuo is all the cloth go now Omozuo be the wear cloth before etime you mo give again Omozuo no mo gbe na ye Fulani. Now be you are going to give her clothes. Ajo. Omozuo wears in another way. Isabella. Now I'm more the Kevin. Imagine, and that woman breast, you send her to Mama Kevin. Now we see the appreciate the day when your Mama Kevin call it. You go to beat Mama Kevin. Now you not get to Mama Kevin. So you're the lawyer to her because they know what we. Here Kevin, maybe a lot of people call my number. Man, understand I'm always available anytime, any day. You are so wag my couple na mo gbe.
You get money. The man who we make here patch my t-shirt me value no gbe. Again now. I tell you.
Most you wear woman t-shirt. We no be your wife. Me. Okpeni ai mukuwe. Wele Vera Benjamin agi. Ebonegwa mugbo o don resist. No ma, the one you don't even know na many pass. What's it? Udani wa dey step. It is a normal thing. Eve ifo wawe. Uye vodka mo akonwe area. Emi bokpa no inu twin seni. Your max boy. See your life. Evi ya fen we aya yenime. Today now we dig boy. A Let Lord TV when see we now. A Let Lord TV, a Becky, a proud mom, a Maya fair we say, Ava be you wa. Ungrateful, they call person ungrateful. So you not get money when you take the eat. We are not what that vibe like jealousy of boy. A jealousy or boy. So all those times they give me money, it don't get 500 euros. That's good. You're mad. You see why you don't feel better. So all those things that they were giving to me during my wedding, you were crying. You get where you reach. Now we buy first document bobo. Emergency document, spiritual document. We are here bobo. We are here benue. A benue can say prove you that one. Now for dream, now you for the show people your document for dream in the net. And they are money. Also I'm marrying one so document. But Ogava go daytime. You know, they see the document show. Now for net, for general people, for they see your document, spiritual document. Just because of my congratulations, you could not comprehend. You were looking for me that time to saga you. We are making them marriage, but a man say you. Now, after now, where the way saga here, drinking, wait till drink we go. Umana banyo, better if you don't stop to the drink. This is a necessary drink. Maybe that you get the way I take the drink. Sometimes I don't still drink. You get the way me take the. If you not come over my mind, I don't drink. Oh, you share this video. Right now. Share this video. Right now. Share this video. Inyamukuwe. You know people wait there do blog body. We dare do blog back. Because where? We say no to blackmail. If we know they do you like this, now so you continue to hear the women. And we say no to that. Anganyo, Baba with the 4 staircase, Anganyo. I saga you throw away your prick for live video. You by yourself post your prick. Just say I not be your mate. See, you, I'm a small rat. You be my boy. And you will forever remain my boy. As far as we can say Facebook in that way. I will give the name on you. Don't get so does 14 when I boy. The one where you did, you never see head. Always one day. I'll post the other one tomorrow because now this get picture when I post this afternoon. Then I bring all this talk. So the married one where you still knock for Roma. Yeah, post on him but we are they be more if problem away. Again, that phone I see what here do. You do say you don't free. You never free from my hand. You never free from my hand.
You be stand to human being. You be stand.
Imagine, girl go date you.
Even the girl go carry you no. I make sure say I avoid you. Anything we have to do with you, sis. You might get concerned, eh? But when I said there and we when I said the get Kevin, they no get Kevin now go where the phone.
Okay.
Ave, social little Kevin ya mino. Ave. And we make good Kevin, we get Kevin women. Get Kevin, women. Get Bella, Zabu, below me.
Sylvia and Lela.
It work a page in the hour assassin. It may be a page in it, making me young. If it may have Garrett and walk quite a reason. Easy men in where they can even give them.
Okay.
Because anybody will want follow you make trouble. We all want to hear the little work bezo. You go make sure say you ready. You don't tell when I ready or now you no notice. Okay. When you may you ready. Okay. One man notice. See anybody no notice. O ma come. Na my way egbe. I don't carry you sit down one day come tell you say na about my story. Era me, hygiene, okbiani bien. Me mugwe total one day till where. Okay. I can count 3 to 4 of your story in me.
Okay.
With proof. So stay away from me. Oh. Stay away from me. If they make sure anybody where they make sure you go, they put me inside. Or see Becky. Stay away from me. Oh. Ba fe ko se mi aye. O ma ka me. Iye Kevin. Yeah. And anything no here to have it. If it enough, no here ni here to have it. No way. Call this guy. Oh, if you not see the talk, call him. Call him. UK people. If you wanna call this guy, oh, he go affect you now, mo. He go affect you now. Sister, where she and her friends they talk, whether they quarrel that time, I don't know who they even be. Now recently I can know say okay, now they be this. Sister, you know yourself. Call these stores where they call. I don't even know what one they call each other. Tia. Life you don't present on UK. Hey. You know yourself. Call this guy. If you know one, you see your things for outside, which I get them. Frank, he may tell me when a public announcement. More like funny, we're more viewing, and I get a lot. The phone in an area we, because of evidence in a dephone away, in a point, if me, you what I said to don't fear you wanna. So make sure you call anybody where you want for tomorrow. Yeah, make an atom of it. May they give you my story or my camera, because I don't avoid you. I avoid you. Yesterday you saga me. Day before yesterday you saga me. You first saga me when you did Mama Kevin. Yes, okay. Mama Kevin of the time. See their doctor.
You see, those you can see like now so still they do Let Lovely TV. If you don't get your evidence, you want to saga, you also have saga.
So you cut according to your size. Not before you not get material. There's a sin is believing.
Anyone so. Don't